everyone, welcome back to the Autocar Mods. Meet the 2026 Toyota Hilux, evolved yet rugged, modern yet unmistakably tough. This isn't just a facelift, it's a refined legend stepping into the future. From new powertrains to trail-ready tech, this Hilux redefines what a pickup can be. Toyota has opted for evolution over revolution. Spy photos and patent leaks confirm updates to the front and rear while maintaining the core body profile, hinting at a platform carryover up front. Expect a wider, aggressive grille with a honeycomb pattern and sleeker, slimmer LED headlights that may wrap into a signature Toyota badge across the nose. The rear receives Tacoma-inspired taillight clusters for a modern, upscale appearance. Subtle yet expressive features include pronounced fender flares, optional side steps integrated into the tray, especially in certain markets, and bold wheel designs hinting at rugged readiness. Overall, this Hilux treads a balanced, familiar silhouette, refreshed attitude, a true facelift, but with lasting identity and capability intact. Inside, the 2026 Hilux ushers in a premium transformation. Expect a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster alongside up to a 14-inch infotainment screen, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto OTA updates, and off-road/towing display modes are all on the menu. Higher trims offer elevated comfort, leather-accented seats with contrast stitching, power adjustment, dual-zone climate control, premium JBL sound systems, panoramic sunroof in select regions, and generous wireless charging. Wire-up connectivity. Design sketches and spy details hint at a redesigned dashboard layout inspired by the Prado, improved storage, new vent structures, and even the familiar Prado gear shifter style. In some variants, it's like stepping into a modern SUV, but with the heart of a pickup. Under the hood, the 2026 Hilux expands its powertrain portfolio. The familiar 2.8-liter turbo diesel, 1G DFTV, returns, now paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, boosting efficiency by 7%. While retaining approximately 204 horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. Entry-level selections may include a 2.4-liter diesel variant tuned for economy, around 147 horsepower and 400 Nm, depending on region. Looking forward, the GR Sport or Tacoma-based hybrid may offer up to 325 horsepower and 465 lb-ft torque, around 630 Nm, through a 2.4L turbocharged hybrid system, paired with 8-speed automatic and optional 4WD with terrain modes in the U.S. This iForce Max hybrid delivers 326 horsepower and 465 lb-ft torque, promising towing capacity near 7,000 pounds and utilizing the TNGAF ladder frame. Built on a tough ladder frame, most likely still the IMV platform, the 2026 Hilux reinforces durability with refined suspension geometry, both axle disc brakes and electric power steering to enable advanced ADAS features, terrain selection, mud, sand, rock, etc., electronic locking differentials, skid plates, and optional Fox or Bilstein dampers in the U.S. multi-terrain select, crawl control, and optional locking rear diffs come included. Safety takes a leap forward with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 as standard. Features include pre-collision detection with pedestrian and cyclist monitoring, adaptive cruise control with lane centering, lane departure warning / assist, blind spot monitoring, hybrid versatility including full, mild, and future BV/FCEV options, tech-savvy off-roader, big screens, connected systems, adaptive safety, and trail-ready gear, all in one package. Base models in the U.S. might start near $30,000 with regional variations, e.g. PKR8. 3 million in Pakistan. Model rollouts appear region-specific. Toyota Thailand could begin unveiling the Hilux by end of 2025, with global launches in early to mid-2026. The 2026 Toyota Hilux is more than just an upgrade, it's a redefined icon that keeps its rugged spirit while embracing modern tech, electrification, and comfort. Thanks for watching. What do you think? Will you take the diesel stalwart, the hybrid powerhouse, or wait for the electric variant? Drop your thoughts below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell for more in-depth reviews and breakdowns.